Back and spine straight. Neck and shoulders completely relaxed. Hands in Gyan Mudra. Eyes gently close. Face with your most pleasant and a peaceful smile. Inhale. Energies in. Exhale. All your stress, all your anxieties out. Inhale. Peace and positivity in. Exhale. All the noises and the negativities out. Inhale. Love and compassion for all. Exhale. All your grudges, all your egos out. Let's start the session with deep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Long and deep inhale. Slow and complete exhale. Omkar chanting 3 times. Very well. भैया
Okay.
Yeah. After every 30, increase your pace, increase the frequency of your strokes. With every exhale, release all the physical toxins, the mental fears, all your energy blockages out. Make your body physically active, mentally relaxed, calm. Better to maintain the balance in your further intense practices. Last 20. रश्मि जी शोल्डर्स काफी लिफ्ट हो रहे हैं, कंट्रोल करिए. कंप्लीट एक्सेल. Inhale. Hold your breath in. Chin to chest lock. Holding Jalandhar Bandh. Release your lock. Gentle exhale. And relax. Chaliye ji. Ready for Bhastrika? Coming into Vajrasana position. Let's start. Stretching your shoulders, your upper body, your quadricep, and your core. So let's start. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Forward counter stretch. Happy puppy, everyone. Happy puppy. Chest and chin on the floor. Hips and knees are in one line.
1, 2, 3,
अंजलि जी आ जाइए.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very gently taking your palms back. Lift your chest up. Coming into cat and cow. So first we'll be doing the cat and cow. Arch and hunch. As in today's session, we'll be mainly working on the quadriceps strengthening. Then there will be few more variation of your chakrasana. Okay, so let's start. Inhale, arch. Exhale, hunch.
2, 3,
Continue, guys. Inhale, arch. Exhale, hunch. Last 3. Round your back nicely. Arch your back deeply. 2, 1, and hold. Now hold your arch. While holding, stretching your right leg behind. सभी ने right leg पीछे खींचना है. And start with the tiger kicks. चलो, knee straight, toes pointed out, and start kicking upside. We are not bringing the leg below the hip line. So once you have a stretch, you have to kick up. Okay? So don't bring it down. नीलिमा जी, पैर नीचे नहीं आएगा. Hip line cross नहीं करेगा, पैर ऊपर ही जाएगा. Toe pointed out. चलो, control के साथ करें. It's a very controlled kick. 1, 2, toes pointed out, Shrija. 3, 4, 5, 6. माधवी जी, नीचे नहीं लाना है पैर. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release and relax. Guys, what do you understand with the basic stretch? इतने दिनों से we are using one term, basic stretch. When you stretch your leg, so this is your basic stretch. अभी इससे हमें deep करना है. So we are not bringing the leg down and releasing our basic stretch. ये तो relax position है आपकी. When you are taking this leg from here to here, this is your active position. Now we are making it more active by kicking it higher. And look front and maintain that arch in your spine. Okay? Chalo. Take your position. Leg change, side change. Stretching your left leg this time. Start kicking up. Knee straight, toes pointed out.
2,
While kicking,
3,
don't disturb the balance.
4,
Body weight equal on both
5,
your palms and your rested knee.
6,
घुटना सीधा सोनू जी.
7, 8,
योगिता सिंह knee straight.
9, 10.
And relax. Slowly release and relax. Now in the same position, we'll be working with the flipping. So everybody get your belt ready. ठीक है जी? You know the basic Vyagrasan? First, there are few messages in the group that you did not get that one twisting or rotation of your shoulder. So first we'll be doing the same rotation with the strap, then we'll be holding the basic Vyagrasan, then we'll be holding with the flipping. Okay? चलो, so पहले वापस से देखिए. This stretch, many members are confused. Easy to understand. Stretch your arms up. Bend your one elbow and straight your another one. यहाँ से हमने कौन सा stretch लिया था? Vertical stretch. Remember? So अभी ये लेना नहीं है. But the position is the same. The same stretch which we have taken for this. One elbow bend, one elbow straight. Now upper shoulder externally rotate, body से दूर. Okay? So after, and many people are tangling with your belt. I don't know why. बेल्ट का यहाँ कोई रोल नहीं है एक्सेप्ट हेल्पिंग यू टू रोटेट योर शोल्डर. सो कैसे आप अपनी पाम्स में उसको रोटेट कर रहे हो? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज योर मूवमेंट. ओके, सो बेल्ट आपका बिल्कुल आपको सपोर्ट करता है. स्ट्रेच, रोटेट, internal rotation, and up. Okay, so down, down, up, and up, down, down, up and up. Clear? So do it for 10 times each side. Everybody will be bringing the left hand first. ठीक है जी? So सभी का left elbow पहले नीचे जाना चाहिए. Right hand ऊपर, left down. चलो start. And those who are very good and familiar with this stretch, do it as rapid as possible. जितना तेज कर सकते हो उतना अच्छा. 1, 2, 3, 4. निकिता जी स्पीड बढ़ाओ. 4 काउंट में 1 हुआ है अभी तक. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and stretch up. चलिए जी सभी के हाथ ऊपर. Now drop your right hand down, left hand up. चलिए start everyone. 1, 2. सुमन जी दूसरी साइड से शुरू करो. 3, 4, 5. Make sure you have changed your hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Chalo, final holding with the vertical hold everyone. So again stretch your arms up and do it from the side. अभी angle change कर लीजिए. Side में हो जाओ Venus. Stretch your arms up. One elbow bend, one straight. Now the upper elbow which is bent, make it straight. चलिए hold it, hold it. Both elbows straight now. 1, 2. Shija. दोनों हाथ ऊपर नीचे हैं. It's a vertical hold. Belt is vertically placed. 5, 6. शिवानी जी साइड से करिए. श्रीदेवी more opening. Upper elbow will be straight more. 6. जानवी जी हाथ horizontal है आपके. नीचे वाले हाथ को और नीचे खींचो. 7, 8. रीना जी ऊपर वाला elbow और straight होगा. 9. शिवानी ऊपर वाला elbow और straight होगा. मंजू वी more straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release. Take it up. Chalo, final holding. Change your position. If the right hand up, bring it down. Left hand, take it up. चलो elbow straight. हाँ good प्रिया जी. Elbow का distance, belt का distance कम करो. चलो वापस से लेके जाओ ऊपर. 1-1 इंच दोनों साइड से कम करिए. Now stretch down. Elbow straight. Good. 1, chest out, shoulders back. 2, सामने देखो. 3, good. 4, 5, 6, 7. श्वेता वर्मा एल्बो स्ट्रेट करिए ऊपर वाला. माधवी ऊपर वाला एल्बो स्ट्रेट. 7. बने रहो प्रिया जी. 8. प्रिया जी मेंटेन करिए. 9 and 10. Good Ranjana ji. Slowly release and relax. Do some rotations.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counter. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Release and relax. चलिए जी. We have already done the cat and cow. We have activated our spine, our glutes also. Now first we'll be holding the basic Vyagrasana for the beginners. Okay. Try to stretch your leg as high as possible. So stretching your right hand, left leg, fold it, rotate, catch and start lifting. Look front and hold. Okay. So 10 counts each side. The basic one. Then we'll again use the same practice with the flipping and then we'll be holding the complementary asana. Utthit Ekpad Vyagrasana. Chalo ji. Take your position. Opposite hand, opposite leg. Right hand, left leg. Chalo, stretch maximum. Give a deep stretch to your thighs, to your quads, to your glutes. Keep stretching. Guys, इसमें balance बनाओ क्योंकि the next one is more challenging. That is going to be same hand, same leg. And that is also with flipped shoulder. Hold it. सामने देखो अर्चना.
5,
Press your palms, lift your shoulder
6,
blades more up.
7,
Keep your upper body active. Good, Shalini.
9,
Good, Sophia.
10,
Slowly release and relax. Happy puppy again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now inhale, left hand, right leg. Stretch your legs, stretch your arm, fold your leg from the knee, rotate your arm, lock your ankle and hold. चलिए जी. पल्लवी जी, ankle पकड़ो.
3,
Catch your ankle, don't lock your toe.
4, 5,
Keep lifting your thigh. बहुत बढ़िया सुनीता
Six.
जी. Good Naina.
7,
Good Danish.
8,
Good Pinky ji.
9,
Good Titu ji.
10,
Very gently release and relax. Okay. Again relax with happy puppy, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slowly come out and relax. Now you can lock your one foot, ankle or toes, ankle or foot with your strap. And for supporting your rested palm, you can take a block. ठीक है जी? चलिए. Now, if balancing in basic Vyagrasana is quite good, then here there's not going to be balancing. So same cat and cow, it's completely your choice. You wish to take this block or not. But when you are doing dynamic stretches, सभी लोगेंगे तो better रहेगा balancing. Okay. Now same, fold your leg on its own strength. So if your quads and glutes will support you, you will be easily able to lift your leg as high as possible. Now catch your strap. Lock your strap as close as possible to your foot. जितना नजदीक, जितना दूर, उतना flipping will be challenging. Okay? So कोशिश करें पैर को, बेल्ट को जितना नजदीक से पकड़े. Now you see the pelvic has opened. Again after locking, holding your belt, lock your pelvic. Look down, stretch your leg and rotate your shoulder. Elbows towards the ceiling or to the front wall. Again, release. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay? So first we'll be doing these flipping, then final holding. All those who are comfortable with the belt, they will be holding with the belt. Those who are comfortable locking their foot directly, they'll be catching the foot. So same, lift, catch, stretch, rotate, and hold. Those who can touch, try to touch the head to your foot. Those who cannot, try to straight your elbows and straight your leg. Okay? Chalo, take your position. First we'll be practicing with the flipping, then break, then other side flipping, then holding both side 10 counts. Chale, take your position. First lift your leg on its own strength. Below palm you can keep on block or on the floor. Now hold your belt as close as possible to your foot. Shall we start rotation? 1, inhale in, exhale, release. 2, 3, 4, 5. चलते रहो सुमन जी. Guys, if I spotlight someone, no need to come close to the camera. You continue with your practice. Don't get distracted. Okay? 5, 6. Sunita ji, pelvic पूरा open है. The navel should see the floor, not the side wall. What did I say? When you hold your belt, your pelvic gets open. But before doing the flipping, you have to again lock it. So the navel should see the floor, not the side wall. So make sure your hips are squared, which is required for this position. Okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Slowly release and relax, relax, relax. Go for either happy puppy or the child pose according to your comfort. Meanwhile, switch your belt also. Belt भी इधर का उधर करो इतनी देर में.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
हाँ जी माधवी जी, बैलेंसिंग तो इसमें लगेगी, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर होल्डिंग द सेम हैंड एंड सेम लेग. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई अगर आपका बेसिक व्याघ्रासन डगमगाता हुआ है तो फिर ये थोड़ा मुश्किल है. अभी ऑल दोज हु आर फेसिंग दी बैलेंसिंग वाला चैलेंज, यू कैन डू वन थिंग, यू कैन रेस्ट योर हिप विद दी वॉल. सो अगर आप अपने राइट साइड से कर रहे हो तो अपने लेफ्ट हिप को ऐसे वॉल से लगा दो. ठीक है, और हल्का सा एज आई सेड द पेल्विक शुड बी लॉक, उसको थोड़ा सा ओपन भी कर सकते हैं. एंड देन hold your belt and rotate. At least you'll be easily able to understand the movement of your body. So you can rest it with the wall. ठीक है, चलो take your position, change your leg, change your hand everyone. Now lift your leg up on its own strength, fold it from the knee, catch your belt. Now again lock your pelvic if it has opened too much. Now start flipping. Backhand, you can keep on block while you are doing the dynamic practices. 1, Isabella, hold the belt little closer. 2, elbow towards the ceiling every time. Keep your shoulder blade lifted. The rested hand should be very active. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. चलते रहे नेहा जी, बेल्ट नहीं बांधा है आपने. 8, रेखा जी और पकड़ो क्लोज, पहुंच जाओगे फुट तक. 9, हाँ गुड. 10 and relax. Slowly release and relax, relax. Now prepare your body, prepare your mind with the control of your breath for your final holding. All those who are very close to their strap, try to lock your foot directly. Those who cannot, again hold your belt close to your before practice and then try to hold it. 5,
4, 3, 2,
Saranya, what happened?
1.
Release and come out. Chalo guys, take your time, बहुत आराम से. Okay? We are having 30, 30, 40, 40 seconds for each side. So take your time. We'll be holding for 10 counts. So take your position with a strap, without a strap, according to your comfort. Those who are very close but not able to hold the big toe, use the sock guys. Okay? You can put on the socks also. Chalo, good honey ji. Balance, balance. Even for the holding, you can keep your palm on the block. चलिए गुड सुनीता जी, डन एंड स्टे देयर. बैलेंस बनाओ. अभी या तो हेड टच करवाओ, हेड के लिए नेक को पीछे एक्सटेंड करो, या फिर एल्बो स्ट्रेट करवाओ, पैर को ऊपर खींचो. अभी अगर हेड टच नहीं हो रहा तो ट्राई टू स्ट्रेट योर एल्बो. 1, कीप ट्राइंग, कीप ट्राइंग. श्वेता वर्मा, इट्स नॉट रोटेशन, इट्स अ बेसिक स्ट्रेच. 2, 3, good Sophie. Try to straight your leg more, straight your elbow more. 4, keep your rested foot tucked in. 5, 6, 7, balance. Sunita ji, 10 count. 8, गुड वीनस, गुड सुप्रिया जी, बहुत बढ़िया। 9 स्नेह जी और नजदीक से पकड़ सकते हैं। एंड 10 स्लोली रिलीज। सुप्रिया जी वॉल सपोर्ट लिया था, डिड यू टेक वॉल सपोर्ट? चलो रिलीज एंड रिलैक्स, काउंटर काउंटर फॉरवर्ड स्ट्रेच। Guys, go with ease, break your body in different position. पहले आराम से cat and cow में आओ, leg को straight करो, fold करो, then lock your belt, lock your foot, whatever is possible for you. Then first stretch your leg maximum in. When the foot is close to your shoulder, then the flipping becomes always easy. Okay? So अगर बहुत distance है, flipping will be very challenging, and after that holding will be very very difficult. चलिए, take your position. Leg change, side change. And if you are doing it for the very first time or doing it after a very long break, then नीचे वाले हाथ के नीचे अभी block रखिए, so that when you are lifting, upper body naturally drops down. Block will give you an height, and keep pushing the palm on the floor or on the block, and keep your shoulder blade active. Okay? So आपका upper body बिल्कुल drop नहीं होना चाहिए. You are doing tiger. Okay? Tiger furious animal. You have to show strength in your posture as well. कुलदीप जी बेल्ट नजदीक से पकड़ो, थोड़ा सा और नजदीक से पकड़ो। शालिनी पहले अपनी स्ट्रेंथ से उठाओ, फिर बेल्ट पकड़ो। नीचे से पैर उठाना इज मोर चैलेंजिंग। चलिए गुड नेत्रा जी, बने रहो अभी यहीं पे। होल्ड इट, होल्ड इट। गुड 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 प्रिया, कोशिश करो फुट पकड़ने की। जानवी बहुत लंबा बेल्ट पकड़ा हुआ है आपने। बैलेंस बैलेंस मनी। चलिए होल्ड इट। सुनीता जी एल्बो स्ट्रेट करने के पे फोकस करो अभी। गुड टीटू जी, गुड गुंजन जी, गुड अलका जी, गुड रेखा जी, बने रहे बने रहे। लास्ट 5, गुड दानिश, वेरी गुड अनुश्री। एल्बो स्ट्रेट करो। 4, हाँ और स्ट्रेट करो, बढ़िया। चलो अभी हेड टू टो लाओ, नेक को ड्रॉप करो पीछे, टच करवाओ। गुड। 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release and relax, relax, relax. Forward counter stretch, relax completely.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Inhale, gently come up and relax. Okay, we'll be taking the same kind of practice with different props in our Natarajasana sessions also. Okay, so at least now you are familiar with this. Now let's prepare our quadriceps with some deep stretches, and then we'll be taking one more asana. Okay, so everybody coming into kneeling position and hold your block. All those who have already done this practice many a times, तो आज आप सभी घुटनों के नीचे भी block रखें. So kneeling position on the floor is for the beginners, and knees on the blocks for the regular practitioner जो बहुत लंबे समय से practice कर रहे हैं. ठीक है जी? So block रखना नहीं रखना is completely your choice. When you are placing block, it becomes more intense. Fine? चलो जी. Now holding your block in front of your hands, start dropping. Take your body straight back and again front. Inhale, exhale. It requires a good pelvic. Tuck your pelvic in. The spine should be straight. Just like you maintain a straight spine in your plank, same position you are going. अभी यहाँ पे mistake क्या होगी? इस तरीके से होंगे कुछ लोग. Okay? So don't push your pelvic front. Second, कुछ लोग इस तरीके से जाएंगे. Again, don't do this. So maintain straight spine from your shoulder to your knee joint should be in one line, and then let your body float back. Okay? Chalo ji. Take your position. Knees on block or on the floor. Your choice. Take your straight body back. हाँ प्रिया जी, पहले अपर बॉडी जा रही है, फिर ओवर बॉडी जा रही है, सीधा लेके जाओ। चलो गुड रश्मि। And go slow. Feel the strength around your quads. Shridevi, the upper body is going first. 2, 3. Sophie, there is an arch. Keep your spine straight. Don't push your pelvic. You are pushing your pelvic front.
5,
कुलदीप जी, हिप ड्रॉप हो रहे हैं.
6,
स्वर्णा, pelvic push है. You are going with the camel.
7,
हाँ, pelvic को टक इन करो, पेट को खींच के लेके जाओ पीछे.
8,
चलिए गुड झरना.
9,
चलो.
10,
Go less, but go straight with a straight body. Last 10, last 10.
2,
कोमल जी, pelvic push हो रहा है.
3, 4,
रेखा जी, हिप ड्रॉप हो रहे हैं. चलिए गुड दीपिका.
6,
Last 4, 3. Start gathering your core, guys. Awareness around your core will be holding. 2. Go back and hold. चलो जी, दीपिका, hold it, hold it. बस perfect. Stay there. जाओ अभी और पीछे जा सकता है.
1,
हाँ, जाओ जाओ जाओ, बने रहो.
2, 3, 4,
चलो गुड शालिनी, जाओ 10 डिग्रीज और नीचे. मंजू जी, सीधे हो अभी आप, जाओ पीछे थोड़ा सा और.
7, 8,
अवेयरनेस अराउंड योर कोर एंड क्वाड्स. चलो चलो चलो.
9, 10,
Slowly release and relax, relax, relax. Forward counter stretch. Ruchi, the pelvic is front. Last 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Release and relax. चलो जी. So अगर यहाँ पे कुछ आया है तो आपने सही किया है. And if you did not feel anything here, you did not do anything. Okay? Now, next is again for strengthening your core and quads both. So first we'll be doing the single legs position and then we'll be holding also. अभी feet mat distance apart. जो सिंगल लेग से बहुत कंफर्टेबल है वो सिंगल लेग नहीं करेंगे, वो दोनों तीनों राउंड डबल लेग के साथ ही करेंगे. देयर आर 2 वेरिएशन फॉर लिफ्टिंग बोथ योर लेग्स टुगेदर, बट दोज हु आर डूइंग इट फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द अलाइनमेंट, सी दिस इज द 90 डिग्री एंगल, दिस इज मोर देन 90. वी डोंट वांट दैट. ओके, ना हमें ये चाहिए ना हमें ये चाहिए. We want a belly and thigh lock. Okay, so we want less than 90 degree in our body. Clear है जी? So हल्का सा forward tilt. Feel that lock in your knee and thigh to maintain that core engagement when you are lifting your legs up. अभी palms beside your knee, वो leg जिस पे आप काम करेंगे, ठीक है? अभी lift your shoulder blades up, round your back. So when you do cat and cow, what we do? When we pull our belly in, so we are engaging our core. So now here we have sucked the belly in and pull it up and hold it. अभी ये कर लोगे, you don't even need hand support and you'll be easily able to lift your heel up and down. Okay? We are not dropping. अभी ऐसे उठा के रखेंगे, शुरू में नहीं करना. 2 इंच उठाओ, वापस रख दो. 2 इंच, आधा इंच उठाओ, वापस रख दो. But don't drop it. छोड़नी नहीं है. Control, and that control should be felt here. Here, so with support, without support, depends on your strength. Lift your shoulder blades up, जो support ले रहे हैं. Round your back a little, pull your belly in, and start lifting your heel up and down. चलो जी, start everyone. This is single leg practice, both side. अभी double leg साथ में देख लें क्योंकि back to back करेंगे. So first is, which is lesser in intensity than the second one. So feet mat distance apart, palms at the center, shoulders back, round your back and start lifting. Okay, same, feet together, palms outside, lock, lift, hunch. Okay, chalo, take your position. Experience the lift with one leg at a time. and then when you are comfortable in lifting one leg, side se kariye sabhi, so that I can check the body's angle. Chalo, take your position. Knee should be straight. If possible, try to keep your toes pointed out for an extra stretch in your quads. Chalo ji, start everyone lifting.
1, 2,
Shrija, it's a straight spine. What did I say? Lock your body front.
4, 5,
अर्चना जी 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा है आपका एंगल, पीछे जा रहे हो.
8, 9,
चलो गुड पल्लवी.
10,
Slowly release. Leg change. Leg change. Deepu ji, you are also going back. Front, front. What did I say? Body should lock front side.
1,
Chale, start lifting.
2, 3,
Good job.
5, 6, 7,
While dropping, we are not dropping the heel on the floor. हवा में है पैर हमारा.
9,
सारन्या पीछे जा रहे हो पैर उठाते टाइम.
10,
Release and relax. चलो जी. Leg change. Now both legs. हाँ. Like Neelu ji is getting cramp here. So this is very natural, very normal when you are engaging both your quadriceps and core. ठीक है जी? So what you can do to release? Either do some Kapalbhati or Bhastrika strokes. ठीक है? लगा लो थोड़े से. चलो. Let's start with the both legs. First, legs are still in this position, open leg position. Placing your palms at the center, shoulder blades lifted, elbow will be straight. Hunch and round your back, pull your belly in and start lifting. With control.
3, 4, 5,
Hips grounded.
6, 7, 8, 9,
दानिश उठा उठा के पटक रहे हो आप heels. What did I say? कंट्रोल के साथ रखिए.
10,
And relax. Slowly release and relax. Do the final one. हाँ अंजलि जी relax कराओ लगाओ कपालभाति. Look at the weakness in your intercostal muscles especially. All those who are getting cramp, it is because the muscles are overlapping on each other. Cramping shows the weakness around those muscles. So that to take support, वो दूसरों पर उलझ जाते हैं कि करना तो है ही काम, ये छोड़ तो रही नहीं है 10 काउंट से पहले, तो अभी मुझ में ताकत नहीं है, तो आई एम टेकिंग सपोर्ट. सो मसल्स बिकम पैरासाइट ड्यूरिंग दैट क्रैम्पिंग. तो जब वो दूसरी मसल्स का सपोर्ट लेते हैं, दे गेट स्टार्ट गेटिंग एंटेंगल्ड ऑन ईच अदर, एंड जब वो रिलीज होते हैं, देन योर मसल्स क्रैम्प रिलीजेस. ओके, चलो take your position. Feet together this time. Shoulder blades up, elbows straight. Hunch your back, pull your belly in. Core को engage करो, खींचो पेट को अंदर. Now start lifting.
1,
Isabella, hands
Two.
hands little front.
3,
Now place your hands little out.
4,
Yes, now lift it.
5,
उठाओ वर्षा जी. half inch उठाओ, कोशिश करो लेकिन.
8, 9, 10,
5 more, 5
Five.
more. अर्चना जी पीछे जा रहे हो.
4,
Good अर्चना जी.
3, 2, 1.
Slowly release and relax. Now open your legs, lock your palms, forward counter stretch, and relax completely. चलो जी, relax करो. One, two, three, hold it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release and relax. Okay जी, चलिए आ जाएं अभी सभी. Now next one is for your glutes. Okay, when you talk about your backward bending, it is the strengthening both of your quads and your glutes which keeps your posture easy and which makes your holding comfortable. Okay. चलो guys, आ जाएं अभी सभी. Now taking the reverse tabletop position. Shoulders roll back, lifting your chest, lifting your hips up. Now here, lift your one leg up. The knee should be straight and the three joints, all your three joints, your shoulder, hip and knee should be in one line. Now dropping your hip down and stretch it up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now what you have to maintain? The straight leg. Okay? अब जो कॉमन मिस्टेक होगी वो उसमें क्या होगी? हम ये तो कर लेंगे, एक बार उठा लेंगे, जब नीचे जाएंगे पैर भी ऐसे नीचे आएगा. Okay, so make sure you don't change the angle of your leg. It is at 90, toe pointed out, knee straight. While going down, it remain in the same position. So somebody is pulling up and pushing it down, and that somebody is your hips. ठीक है? चलो, take your position. First take your reverse tabletop. अभी पैर कोई नहीं उठाएगा. Take your reverse tabletop first. Just check all your three joints are in one line or not. Now lift your right leg, everyone. सभी ने right leg उठा लेना है. Toe pointed out. Try to keep your leg at 90 degree. चलो. Now start dropping your hip down. 1. The rested foot completely on the floor. Heel पे नहीं, toe heel नहीं उठाएंगे कोई भी.
2.
हाँ माधवी जी जा रहा है, देखो पैर ऊपर नीचे. Rajeshwari, the leg is already front side.
4.
The foot should be towards the ceiling.
5.
रीना जी चलो.
7.
चक्रासन उठाना है तो रिवर्स टेबल तो उठाना ही पड़ेगा.
8.
Every time push your pelvic more.
9. 10.
And hold. बिंदिया जी पैर की पोजीशन देखो. Hold it at 90. जो push your hip more. सुमन जी
1.
उठाओ hip.
2.
उठाइए और उठाइए.
3. 4. 5.
Knee straight, knee straight. Deepika knee straight, toes pointed out.
7. 8.
Good Isabella. Shalini
9.
knee straight.
10.
कुलदीप जी घुटना सीधा है बट हिप बहुत ड्रॉप हो गए हैं. Release and relax, relax, relax. Forward counter stretch. Open your legs forward.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Inhale, gently come out and relax. Chalo ji. Take your position. Back to reverse tabletop. All your three joints in one line. Now lift your left leg up. Try to make it straight. Toe pointed out, knee straight. Now start with the movement.
1.
Inhale up, exhale down.
2.
काजल जी देखो पैर स्टेबल ही नहीं है, ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, पैर सीधा रखो खींच के.
5.
अनीता जी पैर का मूवमेंट देखिए, पैर का भी मूवमेंट हो रहा है. इट शुड बी ओनली हिप मूवमेंट गाइस.
8.
गुड इजाबेला.
9.
हाँ गुड शालिनी.
10.
पल्लवी जी ऊपर पूरा लेके जाइए. होल्ड इट, होल्ड इट, होल्ड इट गाइस. 10 काउंट्स. अप एंड होल्ड.
2.
अनुश्री होल्ड.
3.
पूनम जी पैर खींचो, सीधा करो.
4.
विंध्या जी पैर सीधा.
5. 6.
जो हिप अप, हिप अप.
8. 9.
मयूरी जी पैर सीधा.
10.
Release and relax, relax, relax. Forward counter stretch.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Come out and relax. All okay? थोड़ा सा पवन मुक्तासन रोलिंग कर लें. Okay? Because the now same position we'll be taking in our Chakrasana. So if reverse table was quite challenging for few, then holding the same position in Chakrasana will be little difficult. Rolling, rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release and relax. Okay, guys? Chaliye. Taking Chakrasan according to your comfort. Whatever variation is comfortable for you. We have done so many. Okay? So rotate your arm. Lift and coming into your Chakrasan. Try to walk as in as possible. And now the leg which we are going to lift, support, bring it at the center. Now same way, when you lift your leg, your upper body will release the weight. Okay? वो थोड़ा थोड़ा passive होने लगेगी. So make sure always push your chest out and release your leg. Initially same way, you can hold it here and finally release and look up. Okay? Keep looking down. To release, relax your neck, relax your leg and come out. ठीक है जी? चलो. Take your position. Still, those who are not confident कि मैं अपना पैर पूरा सीधा कर पाऊंगा, थाई पे रेस्ट करवा लीजिएगा. And feel that strength. And when you are one leg, how your body require that strength. चलिए, taking your position. Take your time, बहुत आराम से करो. Okay? अनुश्री, पैर सीधा होगा अभी और आराम से. योगिता जी. हाँ स्नेह जी, और सीधा हो सकता है पैर थोड़ा सा. सुधा प्रभा, लेग विल बी मोर स्ट्रेट. गुड. रंजना जी, टो को पॉइंट आउट करिए. सुप्रिया जी, वापस लो एक बार पैर. पहले 1 फुट अंदर लो, डिस्टेंस बहुत ज्यादा है. हाँ, टेक फीट इनसाइड. नाउ फोल्ड. अभी लेग को फोल्ड करो, पहले सेंटर में होल्ड करो. ब्रिंगिंग योर थाई क्लोज टू योर चेस्ट. डोंट ओपन इट डायरेक्टली. पहले ब्रिंग योर थाई क्लोज टू योर चेस्ट and hold it there and then finally release it from your knee. पहले लेग फोल्ड करिए, होल्ड करिए. चलो, अभी बॉडी टायर्ड हो गया. चलिए, गुड. स्नेह जी, थोड़ा सा और सीधा हो सकता है, बहुत हल्का सा, मामूली सा. जस्ट शिफ्ट योर बॉडी वेट ऑन योर. हाँ, बढ़िया. बस, परफेक्ट. स्टे देयर. लास्ट 5 4 3 2 and 1. चलो स्नेह जी, अभी दिखाओ ताकत. यहीं से आ जाओ, पहले 4 आर्म में आ जाओ और उठा के बताओ कहाँ 4 आर्म में क्यों नहीं हो रहा है पैर सीधा. ड्रॉप करो क्राउन, ड्रॉप करो 4 आर्म्स. लॉक कर सकते हो पाम्स को. सेम फॉर रिलीजिंग. चेस्ट मोर आउट. फोल्ड योर लेग एंड रिलीज इट. हाँ, पहले नीचे वाले पैर को सेंटर में लाइए. चलिए, गुड. बस, परफेक्ट. सुप्रिया जी, दैट दिस आई वाज सेइंग. बस खींचो, हो गया, परफेक्ट. होल्ड करिए अभी 10 काउंट्स और यहीं पे. 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Slowly release and relax. बिल्कुल सीधा था पैर. चलो guys, relax, relax, relax before lifting the other side. Do some rotation, do some twisting, do some forward stretches. चलिए, now take your position. चलो जी, कुलदीप जी, आ जाओ. चलिए, lift your chakrasan. Now walk closer. Try to take your hands and legs as close as possible. Before lifting, हाँ, fold it and hold it here. अभी hold करो यहीं पे. Leg को fold करके रखो. 5 count यहीं पे hold करो. Bring your thigh close to your chest and feel that here. Very good. 3 2 and 1. Now very gently open and make it straight. Very good. Toes pointed out. 1 2 3 4, 5, रेखा जी पैर अभी बहुत स्लैंट जा रहा है, 6, कविता जी थोड़ा सा एंगल और हो सकता है, 7, 8, हाँ कीप टेकिंग योर नेक डाउन एंड कीप लिफ्टिंग, पेल्विक ड्रॉप हो रहा है, पेल्विक ड्रॉप हो रहा है, 9, खींचो चेस्ट को थोड़ा और, and 10. Slowly release and relax, relax, relax. Come out. 5,
4,
मंजू जी ट्राई कर रहे हो, चलो दिखाओ.
2, 1.
Fold your leg and bring your thigh close to your chest before lifting. हाँ खींचो अभी पैर को और खींचो. Maintain that belly and thigh lock first, then straight your leg. अभी पैर सीधा नहीं हुआ है देखो. Guys, what I said, did you get that? If you straight your leg from down, it is never going to get straight. ठीक है जी. So what I am asking you, when you are locking your thigh to your belly, you are exactly engaging your core. So आप अपने body mass को center में collect कर रहे हो. जब उस position में आप comfortable हो जाओ holding में, फिर जब धीरे से you have to just open your knee. फिर उसमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है, because everything is collected at that place. And फिर सिर्फ आपको अपने घुटने को खोल देना है. जो हमने bend करके अंदर लिया है, उसको फिर हमने सीधा कर देना है. पैर 110% सीधा जाएगा. चलो जो आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग साइड है उधर से करके बताओ विद माय इंस्ट्रक्शन. नोबडी विल बी ओपनिंग द लेग स्ट्रेट. ओके चलिए कमिंग इनटू चक्रासन. आए सभी चक्रासन में. होल्ड हियर फॉर 5 काउंट्स. नाउ व्हाइल होल्डिंग टेक योर हैंड्स एंड लेग्स क्लोजर. हाथों और पैरों का गैप कम करिए. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. whichever is your strong leg, keep it down and दूसरे leg को ऊपर उठाएं and fold it while lifting. Fold it. चारिका जी. And thigh close to chest. अभी open नहीं करना है. Hold it there for 5 counts. नीलिमा जी, who asked you to open? 1, 2, 3. Thigh close to your chest. Thigh close to your chest. 4. थाई क्लोज टू योर चेस्ट. रेस्ट नहीं करवाना यहाँ सुप्रिया जी. बस अभी सीधा कर दो घुटना. नीचे नहीं ऊपर. हाँ अभी सीधा करो बस नी में से. बस बने रहो यहीं पे. 4 खींचो थोड़ा सा और. 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release. Come down and relax, relax, relax. So your first control should be in your basic chakrasan. Second control when you are lifting your leg up in the folded position. And then finally release it and hold it there. जब पैर खोलोगे आपको कहीं कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि बॉडी इतना प्रिपेयर हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. बोथ ऑन दी अवेयरनेस एंड दी स्ट्रेंथनिंग पार्ट. एंड देन जस्ट बंद पैर को हमने खोल दिया है. दैट्स इट एंड यू विल बी इजीली एबल टू होल्ड इट देयर. ओके चलिए रिलैक्स करें. डू सम सुपाइन ट्विस्टिंग. Holding your legs, dropping it both side, both the knees together, knees and neck opposite direction, hands in shoulder line. Suptodharakarsan guys, do it both the sides. Dynamic कर लीजिए पहले. 1, 2, knees and neck in opposite direction. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slowly release. Recline butterfly. Join your feet. नीचे नीचे रखो. चलिए flapping. Relax your pelvic, relax your thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Happy baby everyone. Anand Balasan. Lock your feet, stretch your knees down. 1, 2, 3. Knees bend, Tripti. घुटने bend करो. Bring them close to the floor. 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release and relax. सभी ऊपर. Here we are ending a very deep and intense hold. जो हम कल की सेशन में करने वाले हैं. ओके, चलिए आ जाए सभी. टेक 2 blocks, come close to the wall. Now body is relaxed also, so it will adapt the practice easily. Blocks same. Level 1 close to the wall. Level 2 thoda distance. Level 3 maximum distance. Okay, so according to your comfort you want to remain close, little far और अच्छा दूर. ठीक है जी, तो आपके अलग अलग लेवल से ब्लॉक्स उसके अकॉर्डिंग रखिएगा. Now lying down, lift your chakrasan and then it is going to be a forearm chakrasan. Okay, so आराम से ब्लॉक्स पे हाथ रख के चक्रासन लिफ्ट करो अपना. ये वाला पैर हटा लो. Okay, inhale, come up, walk back, drop your crown and the elbow should rest with the block. So अभी what happened? We have increased the distance. So elbows हमने lock कर दिए हैं block के साथ. Now lift your neck up and keep back with one of your foot. Keep walking and lock and touch your foot to your head and hold. Release, come out, back to chakrasan, walk back, chest touch. Hold and release. Okay जी, so these are the 3 steps. पैर एक बार में पकड़ नहीं आएगा, but try to take your foot inside. So backward, it will be resting. Take it in as possible. Those who are comfortable and flexible, they'll be easily able to hold it. बल को फ्री करके रखोगे वहीं पे. ठीक है, चलो एक बार ट्राई कर लेते हैं एक साइड से, as we'll be working deeply on the same tomorrow session. चलो take your position. Even holding forearm wheels with that block distance itself is quite challenging. So as I said, हाँ block का distance अपने अपने हिसाब से रखो अमनदीप जी. This is level 1. Level 3 is the full length. You can understand कि आप कितना दूर हैं wall से. So in final when you have to touch your chest, तो उतना distance आपको cover करना होगा. चलो जी, lift करो सोइनी. हाँ, forearm wheel में आ जाए अभी सभी. After lifting your chakrasan, come in the forearm wheel. चलो, keeping your strong leg front, take your one leg inside, लो पैर को अंदर and flat it. टॉप पे आ जाओ, बैलेंस बैलेंस. आप टर्न कर दो, पैर का पंजा उल्टा कर दो. कौन सा पैर अंदर ले रहे हो, राइट की लेफ्ट? सोइनी, जो भी अंदर ले रहे हो उसको फ्लैट करो. हाँ फ्लैट करो, टर्न करो, नहीं टूटेगा. लो पहले थोड़ा अंदर लो. चलिए गुड सोफी, यू आर ऑलमोस्ट देयर. गुड, कीप ट्राइंग. Sophie, we are in forearm wheel. So first drop your crown. Yes, first coming into the forearm wheel. Now take your one leg in. Release your neck. Yes, taking your one foot inside. Keeping it on the top of the foot. Yes, good. Try to catch. Now try to touch your head to your foot. Take your head in. Yes, touch it. Good. You could have hold for few more seconds. Good, but at least you could hold it. That's wonderful. So we'll be taking the same practice again tomorrow. Okay जी, चलो आ जाओ अभी आ जाओ सभी. Come out. It was just to make you feel that what you have to do finally. अभी जैसे सोइनी जी से पैर का पंजा उल्टा ही नहीं गया. ठीक है जी. So for that you require that ankle mobility. That in this position you have to finally turn your toe, turn your complete foot, and then only that foot can go inside. आप इस फ्लैट को अंदर नहीं ले जा सकते, टर्न द टो को यू कैन नॉट इन, टू स्लाइड इट ऑलवेज यू हैव टू बी ऑन दिस पोजीशन, ठीक है, सो विल वर्क ऑन द एंकल मूव आल्सो. चलो guys, this is all about today's session. Anything regarding today's practice, you can please